question goes to Sanjay Jha, Congress leader, author, political analyst. Sanjay Jha, I have no problems with anybody taking any vacations. Please, let me put that on record. The question is, there is strife within the Congress party, in Haryana, in UP, in Bihar. On the other hand, you have strife with your alliance partners, the Samajwadi Party in Uttar Pradesh. On the other hand, you're cancelling shows that were promised to students in both Prayagraj and Patna. And then Wayanad, where there are two MPs, supposedly two MPs, where both are missing in action. Just what's going on?
Navika, good evening to you and to the panelists as well. You have asked a lot of questions. I'll try and summarize them very, very quickly. First and foremost, I think in India, we are having a real personality-centric obsession with politicians. And while it is a reality to a great extent, I don't think we should perpetuate that as a good thing. So while Rahul Gandhi may have been away for whatever reasons, the truth is that whether it's the issue of ethanol, where my friend Anand has been extremely vocal, or the Ram Temple donation scam, or the NEET scam, etc. I think on an institutional level, at an organizational level, the Congress has been extremely bellicose and belligerent and taken them up. So I really don't think that politically there has been any loss because Rahul Gandhi's physical presence has not been there in India. He's back now, and I'm sure he'll amplify that. As far as the issue, and I'll bite the bullet on Imran Masood's comment on the Samajwadi Party as well. As far as Wayanad is concerned, I am a firm believer that end of day, when a natural calamity has happened, and it happens all the time, irrespective of BJP or a Congress-ruled state, I think we should approach that with sensitivity. Lives have been lost. I know how politics works. You know that better than me, Navika, that politicians and MPs have a whole infrastructure that works on these issues. And while Priyanka may make an appearance now or Rahul may go there, that's not a really material point. The point is, are the people being helped? And I'm sure that is already happening. I think the issue that you raised, where I will agree with you, I heard Imran Masood's comment on the Samajwadi Party. That is terribly unfortunate. For Imran Masood to say on behalf of the Congress that the Samajwadi Party did well because the Congress supported it, yes, there is an arithmetic jump that both parties benefit from. But it is rather ridiculous to claim that the Samajwadi Party won well in Uttar Pradesh in the Lok Sabha because of the Congress support alone. So I think this is a time for the Congress to rein in these motor mouths who get very carried away because they have their own agendas. And it is very important for the Samajwadi Party and the Congress to get together, because I think in Uttar Pradesh a change is imminent. And I think the people of India across, not just Uttar Pradesh, but across India, are disillusioned after hearing about the Ram Temple donation scam.
But where was Rahul Gandhi to even capitalize on the Ram Mandir scam? Where was he? He is the one who started in Kota, Chhatron ki Gunj. Where did he vanish after that? Has the Congress party lost the initiative, the momentum, because he took a 3-week break? No problems with the break per se, but to not keep his date with the students, will that cost him? Because students actually began to connect with him on that issue. Yeah. But he's left them in the lurch. And above all, Shehzad Poonawalla, Wayanad, MPs have their own infrastructure. The Congress party, has it ever questioned the BJP during national calamities on why they haven't visited? Because they say it's not important.
Firstly, Navika, when Congress talks against personality-centric politics, it is like Osama talking in favor of peace. I mean, you see the hypocrisy and the irony of that situation. Secondly, I am glad that at least somebody who has opened the innings of the debate today has confessed that physical presence of Rahul Gandhi makes no difference to the issues. राहुल रहे या ना रहे, एनीवे मुझे लगा 21 दिन बाद राहुल जी देश में वापस आए हैं अपने विदेश यात्रा के बाद, तो कुछ मिठाई या लड्डू तो मिलेंगे, परंतु 21 दिन के बाद देखिए क्या मिला ना। वो पार्टी के हुए, पार्टी पंजाब से लेकर हर प्रदेश में टूट फूट रही है है ना वो प्यूपल के हुए, प्यूपल को बोला था कि मैं 11 तारीख को पटना आऊँगा, 10 तारीख को प्रयागराज आऊँगा, तो ना पार्टी के ना प्यूपल के। फिर ना पार्टनर के हुए, इमरान मसूद हर रोज़ गाली देते समाजवादी पार्टी को, ब्रश किए बिना टाइम्स नाउ के कैमरे को पहले बुला देते हैं, बोलते ये अखिलेश जी, ये मुसलमानों के लिए नहीं बोलते, ये अखिलेश जी, ये जो है ये कभी मस्जिद टूटती है तो नहीं बोलते हैं, हमारी वजह से 37 सीट जीते हैं। अब देखना फिर भी अनुराग जी उनको डिफेंड करेंगे, पर ये हालत है कि हर रोज कांग्रेस का एक नेता राजेंद्र पाल गौतम आंख दिखा दिखा के समाजवादी आधी सीटें देनी पड़ेगी, 200 देना पड़ेगा, तो ना पार्टी के हुए, ना प्यूपल के हुए, ना पार्टनर के हुए और ना पीपल के हुए। अच्छा पीपल के नहीं हुए, पहले भी वायनाड में आए तो फोटो ऑप करने गए थे, इस बार तो गए ही नहीं, लैंडस्लाइड आए और वायनाड का दुर्भाग्य देखिए, दो सांसद, यूजुअली कंस्टिट्यूंसी में एक सांसद मिसिंग होता है, यहां 2 सांसद मिसिंग, ऑफिशियल और अनऑफिशियल। पर नाविका जी एक स्टेटमेंट मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं, आपके अच्छे मित्र है पवन खेड़ा, पवन खेड़ा ने जस्टिफिकेशन दिया है क्यों नहीं गए। पवन खेड़ा कहते हैं, श्री पवन खेड़ा जी, देयर इज अ फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चन दैट इफ नेचुरल डिजास्टर इज देयर, व्हाई शुड देयर बी अ वीआईपी विजिट। मतलब आप सांसद नहीं रहे, वो प्रियंका जी इज नॉट सांसद, वो स्वयं वीआईपी है। ये स्टेटमेंट है कांग्रेस का, अपने नेता को वीआईपी मान रहे हैं, ये निर्लज्जता की पराकाष्ठा है। एंड संजय झा, टुडे यू कैन गिव इट एनी अमाउंट ऑफ स्पिन, but it is very clear that Congress does not care for party, people, pupil, partner.
Well,
Congress cares for one P.
Quick counter.
Parivar.
Navika, short response.
Quick counter.
Navika, here is a short response. I mean, I didn't want to make it, crude and political. But let's take the example of the Prime Minister himself. He tells the people of the country don't travel. And after that, Mr. Modi has been missing from the country's shores. I mean, that is the kind of hypocrisy and double standards that we're seeing from the BJP. So ultimately, they'll justify everything from diplomacy and uranium and business. But the truth is that you got to practice what you preach, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, then,
and Rahul
in which
Gandhi,
case, let me remind you, if you want to practice what you preach, then Rahul Gandhi in 2024 landslides in Wayanad itself went himself and then thanked the Prime Minister because he went there and speeded up the rescue work. He thanked the Prime Minister.
But now
so
Congress-
what was okay in 2024 is not okay in 2024. The argument changes from Pawan Kheda right down to other Congress leaders. Really?
But I
Navika-
think horses for courses. I mean,
He
there
was
must
going to
be a
have short
reason
response.
why the leadership has chosen to let the people out there help the victims, get the situation in order. And let's
Navika,
be
10
honest,
seconds.
Navika,
Please,
whenever
10
we find pictures of politicians
10
sitting on a
seconds, Navika.
helicopter and taking rounds of flood-ravaged areas, etc., does it really make a difference?
So
Navika,
I think we
when
stop doing
Rahul
this
Gandhi
personal
questioned the
attacks.
Prime Minister for not going to
One second,
Manipur
one
at the time of the riots, where was he coming
One second.
from?
No, before-
but Shehzad
let me
Poonawala.
please comment.
Shehzad Poonawala, I want to ask you, how do you know Imran Masood has not brushed his teeth before he gave the sound
tell
bite?
you, I know
How much are you actually interfering with the privacy of netas that you know such details?
अरे आपको तो ये भी बताता हूं कि वो ब्रश करे बिना इसलिए बाइट देते हैं क्योंकि उनको कांग्रेस का शीर्ष नेतृत्व तो कॉल करके बोलता है, इमरान टाइम्स नाउ को बुलाओ और जरा बाइट दो समाजवादी पार्टी को, उनकी हैसियत दिखा दो। इमरान बोलते जी जनाब, फोन रखते, सीधा वो नियामिका को फोन करते, नियामिका कम टू टेक बाइट। तो इसीलिए मुझे पता है। दूसरी बात, सच बोल रहा हूँ कि नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, नियामिका ही जाती है बाइट
If
लेने।
the Congress
दूसरी
party
बात,
has
दूसरी बात,
Times Now on
मैं
its
आपको बोल रहा हूँ,
speed dial, I am happy
अरे
with
नाविका, मैं
that.
बोल रहा हूँ, दूसरी बात बोल रहा हूँ। फिर अभी ये पंजाब में जो चल रहा है ना, वहां पे भी अलग खेल चल रहा है। प्रियंका जी क्यों नहीं जा पा रही वायनाड? क्योंकि प्रियंका जी इज बिजी डिसलॉजिंग राहुल्स कैंडिडेट इन पंजाब। राजा वडिंग तो उनके हैं, बाकी सब प्रियंका के हैं। तो प्रियंका बहन बोल रही है कि राहुल गांधी के राजा वडिंग को हटाने के लिए करो। और अभी बताया जा रहा है मुझे कि एन एमपी हु इज गोइंग टू कम टू पार्लियामेंट व्हेन द सेशन स्टार्ट्स, ही विल और शी विल गिव द असेसमेंट की व्हाट द डैमेजेस सो दैट दे कैन टेल द गवर्नमेंट दैट वी नीड दीज रिसोर्सेज। नाउ संजय झा इज टेलिंग मी लेट द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एंड द कार्यकर्तास हैंडल इट।
Well-
दिस इज हाइट्स ऑफ शेमलेसनेस।